So, at the office, there's like a coffee break room. Inside of the room, there's this chessboard, which is missing a pawn piece. To replace the missing pawn, somebody drew a pawn in a piece of paper. I have no idea why anybody would do this, but in any case, when I see this kind of desperate and clumsy attempt to fix something, it breaks my heart. So I decided to take one of the pawns with me that day. Oops, almost lost it on my way home. I arrived home, I took my caliper, and I measured the pawn. I opened Autodesk Fusion 360 and started to draw the 2D profile based on the measurements I just did. Once this half profile is ready, I apply this tool called Revolve, and you see how the profile is rotated 360 degrees around an axis. And now I have the 3D piece. Now this piece can be exported as an STL file, which is the standard format used in 3D printing. Then I take the STL file and open it in a slicer software called Cura. This software is going to convert the 3D file into instructions for my specific 3D printer. Here I also need to find the best orientation so that the piece can be printed without the need of supports. This pawn has sort of a shoulder that is overhanging, so it will be better if I print it upside down. And also I will add what is called a raft, so that there's more surface touching the print bed. This will produce a file called the GCODE file, containing all the instructions for my 3D printer. The next step is to open the GCODE file in what is called the host software, so I can upload this file to the 3D printer itself, as we see here. Now the 3D printer already has the file. I will put some tape on the print bed so the material sticks better to my glass. And now I trigger the printing process. After about 30 minutes of printing, the pawn is ready. I remove the detachable raft I added earlier, and the piece is ready. Here we see the original piece, the measurements, the CAD render, and the printed piece, almost identical. Finally, I went back to the office, back to the break room, and put the new pawn where it belongs, so the set is now complete. Let's see how it looks after arranging the pieces. Wait, what? What the f?